from Berlin. Today I would like to talk about the weekly forecast for Bitcoin and Ethereum and crypto in general for the next week, September 4th, September 10th. And in the end I would like to outline also a longer trend that I see. But let us focus on the next week at first. On the 4th, we do have an hourly maximum influence from Jupiter in the sky, which can bring a temporary pump. Again, it will be temporary, but it can be a nice peak, in my opinion, for everything, not only BTC, but in general. Then we do have the wind of change blowing for the whole week, because exactly the same day, the 4th of September, is very important. We do have Mercury and very strong actually, and we have Venus and Jupiter also influencing BTC in a strong way, because Jupiter will go retrograde until the end of the year, which is a significant event in general, and Venus will go direct, which is the planet of currency and cryptocurrency. So it's quite a good news for us. And Mercury will slow down and will change direction soon, so stay tuned for that. We will have more dynamics. Basically, it's a reversal of trend that we can expect, especially short term, but we do have also other considerations. On the 5th, we could have a very sharp drop temporarily during the day, and this is again more at market level, and it's an hourly aspect, therefore you can't really find it in the calendar, but it's still worthwhile to be cautious about it. 6th and 8th are positive days, and they are really very good aspects between Sun, Mercury and Jupiter. So in the end of the week, we can expect more bearishness, I would say, but it would be during the day. So again, there are hourly aspects. You can see the red moon crescents, especially on BTC. And we know that BTC still drives the market, but we see some important movements from the natal chart of ETH as well. So have a look at it, because we do have more positive aspects actually in the mid of the week for Ethereum on the 6th and 7th, and respectively on the 10th, which is very strong and actually will influence the second part of the week. Needless to say, it's an interesting time, and we can see some things repeating, but also some new things appearing on the scene of crypto development. Now, about what I promised to you, the longer trend. It's important to think about the retrograde motion of Jupiter, which means retrograde redoing things, changing the change. And we see that some decisions are really considered and reconsidered again. So this trend might continue, and it could be also positive, at least for a brief period of time, because we will have interesting influences from Jupiter, which will be positive when Jupiter will traverse the degrees that were really pointing towards increases until now. And the key period to look at, so if you do TA, you can look at the period July 11th, September 1st. Thank you for your attention, for liking and subscribing. It helps the channel. And until next time, be joyful.